Hey YouTuber, if you are looking to the dividers and divider properties and indent, so you are on the right content. So divider is basically has two main properties, indent and indent, for the gaps between the right corners and the left corner. So I am just putting the divider and the thickness is 2 into from my designs, and left indent, right indent. An indent basically shows the right space, and the right space is 20, and the indent is left space is also 20. So I am just constant here to remove a warning, and just I am saving, so you can see this is a indent, and if I comment it, you can see this is a full divider, and if I uncomment it, you can also see you have a gap between the gap from the corners. Okay, so you have to see this is the 27 and then 3. Okay, so you are noticing that this screen is my center, and for this sections I have to align to the left side. So I am using the column. Into the column you have to note that cross-axis alignment basically works in the horizontal. So I am just putting the cross-axis alignment here. I means horizontally dot start. Let's save it, and you are noticing that it has been padded, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.